In this game of bowling, there's no reason why I'm not able to win. I can do it. I just need to put my mind to it, focus on myself. Same thing that needs to happen in the world of property investing for everybody. Day after PWT, we must switch off. What do you reckon, Theo? So many businesses on a Tuesday afternoon. You know, this is what life's about. I believe life's about providing excellent business services for people. I tell you what, it's also like likewise playing bowling with a Czech family is like business out there, is because out there people are talking different languages to each other because they haven't got agreement on rules. They haven't got agreement and they're not talking the same language because communication breaks down, and that's how people cost time and money. Communication issues is one of the biggest reasons companies do not succeed to their truest potential. Let's see if we can overcome that barrier here. I'm officially in second from last place. I'd like to see if I can go from actual last place to first place. Babuna! What's Babuna?
It's a nickname. Would you like to say something to our Czech audience? Starts following us on YouTube? Yes or no? No?
Let's go! You see, you wanted to say something. Let's go. Nice.
O, aspoň 3.
Let's go.
Co to hezkýho? Však já se trošku cvičím.
I also figured out something else what's like business. So I was quiet for a few shots, thinking, yeah, I said to myself, I'm going to go from last place, which is second from last place, to the winner. And then like, I've not really closed the gap here. Yeah, 45 to 28. Yeah, it's quite a big gap, isn't it? Yeah, and I was thinking to myself, like, you know, like all the excuses and reasons of why I couldn't do it. All the excuses and reasons why I couldn't do it, yeah? And that's what happens outside of in the real world, right? You know, in business, in property investing, like, oh yeah, that's the reason why I can't do the deal, that's the reason why I'm not able to do it and stuff. That now not being true here in this game of bowling, there's no reason why I'm not able to win. I can do it. I just need to put my mind to it, focus on myself and my score. That is absolutely the same thing that needs to happen in the world of property investing for everybody. I'm not showing off, I'm just showing up. That's what this series is all about. I'm not showing off, I'm just showing up. I'm showing up for you. Because lots of time, well, it still is now, people are showing up for me, baby. Coaches, mentors, my team. That's what it's all about. Oh, so close, so close, Nicky. What do you have to say about that, Nika?
Disappointed.
Answer this question. What has playing bowling with a Czech...
With property.
No, what's playing bowling, yeah, with a Czech family got to do with property investing and business?
Yeah.
Well, you have to subscribe to this channel and watch this video to find out. You know, I just thought something else. This is also property investing. So what happens when people go into property investing? These guys are just whacking the balls anywhere. Yeah, and that's the noise in the marketplace trying to distract you. Yeah, or intimidate you. Don't like go to intimidation. Yeah, Yeah, so another thing is, like when people start getting good deals or raising investor finance and things do start going their way, they'll take their foot off the accelerator, or they'll just start freaking out as if something's going wrong, and the panic will actually cause something to go wrong. Can you believe that? Yeah, so this is going to be the test of time. Look, oh wow, actually, whoa, there's some sneaky people coming up on the scoreboard right now. Now we got to get them all down, baby. Seven. The pressure's on now. We're into the last 3 shots. I think what enabled me to go from second from last place to first place was my coach. You know what I mean? It's my coach. Hey coach, could you show my coach? Yeah, is it right, coach? Thank you. Oh, coach. Thanks, coach. Is it because your head's like a bowling ball that you helped me so well with my bowling strategy? Yeah? Okay, very good. No. So I'm messing it up. So I'm focusing on this garbage. That is a terrible shot. Pressure's really on now. Whoa, and I ain't even in first place anymore. Going into the last 2 shots. 68, 67. 167, Babuna. Babuna is in the lead. Whoa, now so I just got a strike. See what can happen. Oh my goodness, 65. Pressure's on, the pressure's on, here we go. Whoa, this is a good shot. Wow, that is a killer shot. That's 9, but she got 9 in 1 shot. Striker. You know what happened? Just didn't think about what was going on. Didn't even know if this camera was recording or not. Strike going into the last shot. Strike going into the last shot. Let's see how that can serve me. Moving to the lead, surely. Oh. Only 1, so 2. This should go 69. Starting to focus on the other people again. Don't do that, Mark. Don't do that. Don't do that, people watching this. Don't focus on the other people. Just focus on the strategies. Focus on what you can learn from the other people. What's working. Yeah, and keep the thing. Now, I'm well ahead at the minute. Yeah, I'm well ahead after 3 strikes in a row and then an 8. So a spare 3 strikes in a row and an 8. Take a picture of this. Take a view. Yeah, so there's a view of the score right now. Yeah, so look, this is what's happening. You know, just literally focus on my shot only, didn't worry about the outside world, and it starts to pay off. But then this is where the sabotage can come in if you're not careful, right? Whoa! Whoa! What a shot! Oh! She's got it. Hey, look, see it's stepping up, the standard stepping up here, and sometimes that can make people freak out. I know when we started doing HMOs in 2017, we created a massive uproar in the industry. Like people started want to take us down, you know, telling us we're doing things wrong. You know, when we were posting pictures, people were telling us the fire regulations or the build site was messy or my block work was messy and all of that stuff. Whoa, good job. Good job, yeah. Yeah, but the truth is, all we did was just make people shit themselves. Like I am a little bit now, on making sure that I keep my head clear, my shots good. I've got to focus on my own properties. And that's what happened in 2017. People just started focusing on their property, on our properties, not their own investments, and started making decisions
going for properties, bidding more because they don't want us to win them. That's not what you got to do. You got to focus on your own deals, your own properties, your own mindset. That's what's going to happen for me right now. Share this if you got value. Put it out there so for other people to see. And subscribe to the channel if you got value, so you can get more value, because I'm committed to bringing the content, the latest content, the most current content to you on how to get things working for you. So if this has not been an eye-opener, I don't know what is, but click below. There'll be some resources there for you to take advantage of. And until next time, do the right thing for the right reason, because that is the only way you're going to discover your true potential.